everybody! It's summertime, even though you don't feel like cooking because it's so hot. But we gotta eat something. We gotta make really delicious homemade food, isn't it? So today I'm going to share my hamburger recipes. Hamburgers. You guys think that, oh, in Korean cuisine, is there any hamburger, traditional hamburger? No, my grandmother never made hamburgers. But a lot of Koreans eating hamburgers, and also they make homemade hamburgers. Even long time ago when I lived in Korea, I used to make hamburgers for my families. Whenever I make this, all my Western friends love this. And also very easy and simple to make this. So I just thought that maybe I should share this delicious recipe with you guys. Of course, I'm so curious about your version, but this is my simple and very easy Mangchi style hamburgers. Let's start. Ground beef. I just went to grocery store just to pick it up just now. I came back home with this. And onion, tomato, and lettuce. And later I'll just eat this with pickle. All just cleaned. I'm going to slice this, and also this buns. It's brioche. I love this because it's very puffy and very soft. I will use butter today. Butter is kind of a secret. Make it really buttery. And also, I don't have barbecue, so I will use my grill pan. But it turns out so good. Really tasty. Everybody loves my hamburger. Tomato, I will just use one. Like this. 3. Pat dry a little bit. Onion very thin. That's for 3. That's enough. This grill takes the time to heat up, so it may be 3 minutes. I need to let it, heat. So this is ground beef. I would like to make the nice size patty. This is 4 ounce, just a little less than 3 ounce. Each buns this amount, like exactly my fistful. This is leftover, I don't need this. And later I can make this other stuff. We have 3 bowls, and I'll just make this nicely. Just to press down around the center area, because when it's cooked, it's going to be like a balloon, it will expand. So we don't want it like a ball. And then this one too. It's so fun. Okay, here. 3 nice discs. First, this is butter. And around 30 seconds I grill this, and then let's turn over. So now I'm just making a lot of butter, about 2 tablespoons. Let's put it here. Around 3 minutes I'm going to cook like this, and then turn over. And then now, I will just add my cheese. Around 1 minute I cook, I will just cover this. So my cheese is going to be a little more melted. Meanwhile, let's put the mayonnaise. And then turn off. Look at that. Amazing, eh? It's nice. And here, yellow mustard, ground black pepper, and then lettuce. And onion, tomato here. There you go. That's it. This is 3 hamburgers. Just quick. When I go to a famous hamburger restaurant, usually they just serve like this. And 1 pickle. This is very expensive like this. They serve this way with some French fries. But the homemade is better because I chose a really good fresh meat and nice. 3 hamburgers. Let me taste. By the way, who's going to eat this too? It's for you. Anybody can pick it up from your monitor. Whoop. I always heard that. I wish I could reach to the monitor and pick up and eat. Go ahead. First come, first served. So this is like this. And you see your pinky fingers on the bottom and 3 fingers on top. So that these guys just, I seized all ingredients. They are not going to get out. So I can eat it now. You know, because sometimes really, ugly people just eating, dripping everything. See? Yum, yum, yum. I needed this guy. So how would you like it? So make this and enjoy your summertime. Because of this hamburger, your life may be much, much happier. Just like me. When I have some delicious food or when I make a really nice food, and it makes me so happy every day. Today we made hamburger, Mangchi style hamburger. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.